If we were Bible characters, everybody wants to be David. Everybody wants to be Paul. Everybody wants to be Solomon. On YouTube, everybody wants to be that person with 1 million subscribers. We want to be a best-selling author. We want to be a multimillionaire, a celebrity. We all want to be that big creator. But what if that is not our assignment? What if your assignment is just to change the life of one person? One thing I've learned about life is you can go to a university, a college, and have some of the best preparation taught to you. You can also go to prison and in that cell have some of the best preparation taught to you. 2 different classrooms, but both of them are equally effective when it comes to preparing you for what your mission is. And so you start a channel, you want to be a big channel, you want to have millions of subscribers, you want to have fancy cars, you want to be that guy that says, hey, look at me, I'm in Fiji. Look at me, I'm in Dubai. Look at the Ferrari I bought. Look at the big house. But if that's not your assignment, based on my life, that's not my assignment. Based on my life, this is my assignment, to be here with you. My assignment is modern day leper. That is my assignment. How many subscribers? I don't know, 1,400. How many views? I don't know, 20. Who knows? That's not important. The important thing is success comes from accepting your assignment, accepting your purpose, saying, yes, I will do what I was sent to do to the best of my ability. The world tries to tell us that it's about the money, it's about the cars, the attention, the women, the big homes. All of that is fantastic. All of that is wonderful. We all want to have the outward success, but true success only comes from accepting your purpose, your assignment that only you can fulfill, that God has given to you. You're working hard. No one is paying attention. You reach out to the larger creators. They ignore you. They go to your channel. They see your videos. They say, no, I don't want to interact with this man. And that's their right to do so. I don't want to lose my brand deals. I don't want to do this. I don't want to do that. I'm over here. He's over there. That's fine, because that's his assignment. This is my assignment. No one owes anyone anything. What happens if I stay on point? If I stop fudging my assignment? If I take my assignment serious and I keep working hard and doing what God has for me to do? Now look up and the subscriber count is growing. The appreciation is growing. God leads me and shows me more things to expand, and eventually a product, eventually a service. He starts to open the floodgate of blessings to the people he sent me to bless, that my gifts are perfect for. The other person that may seem successful does not have my skill set, does not have my background, would be totally ineffective with the people that God have sent me to reach. So when you ask the questions, why do these things go wrong? Everything works for the greater good. There is a bigger operation going on. And though it seems like this is a failure or this is a bad person, no, I'm a perfect person to reach the people God told me to reach. You don't have the background to reach those people. They're not your assignment. They're my assignment. And so I encourage you to see your gifts. Reach within yourself. Go within and understand who God is sending you to. Find out what your assignment is. And accepting that assignment is success. Not everything that comes after it. All of that is just overflow. The real success is when you seriously accept the assignment that has been given to you, because no one else can do it.